YouTube. Sorry, my camera's been giving me more trouble. I went out and got a new battery for the 1989 Chevy. Whatever you see in this video will not be sponsored. I got a new air filter. I cleaned the carburetor. I've got a new battery. I've got new spark plugs, and I just changed the oil. Here's the new oil filter. This wheel was giving me trouble, so I ground off the lug nuts. Had to get a new rim anyways. I think it's ready to start. Hasn't ran. Well, it's been parked in the guy's field for 5 years. But I don't know. Let's hope. Okay. Okay, got lights. What? No way. What? What? No way. Wow, no smoke either. Exhaust stinks. Whew. Okay, I got sidetracked. Hi Moose. Hey the babies. Okay, I don't think you're on the YouTube channel to see that, but if you are, hit the like button. I don't know how that just started up like that. That must be the, I don't know, I don't know, I guess you could call that the easiest wheel to start on this channel so far, because it's the only one so far. I'm gonna shut it down. Oh no, it's not running hot. That's good. Let's put this down. See if she'll move. Good, enough. Okay, I don't think there's anything under the tires. Nope, we're good enough. Hey, the window even rolls down. I guess that's a plus. No, I'm not going on the road. I just want to see if she'll rock back and forth. This door is not my friend. Come on! Dingle jingle nuts. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Good enough. Probably not, but we'll find out. Well, that's reverse. That's neutral. That's drive. She's moving. Well, I guess that's a plus. Come on. So far, so good. Hey, ant. Wait, that's a worm. Battery's charging. We got oil pressure. Very low. I mean. Oh wait, the guy did say he did disconnect that. So, we're doing good. Wonder why these combined. Wonder why. No reason. I hope. Sounds good, actually. Don't know if you can hear me, but it does sound good. Okay, brake fluid. Perfect. Wait a minute. Ah! Hey, lights. Oh, darn it. I don't think there's lights in the back. Hello? That one doesn't want to work. Huh! Hello? This is not half bad, actually. Not bad, not bad. The horn even works. Sir? You alive? Come on. You alive? Come on. Sounds good. Oh, that tire. I found some new tires. They're all season. You haven't missed anything about this. Because, yeah, it still needs body work. The most I've done was get underneath the truck and clean the frame, the inside of it. Still not running hot. I don't think. Let me check the gauges before it blows up. Nope, not running hot. Just over 100. Not bad. And the transmission works. I can't believe that. Wait. Hello? Oh, the radio. Wait a minute. Will it work? Will it work? Hello? No! No! Hello? Why won't it work? Hello? Does the heat work? Heat works! Or the fan does anyways, so... Not much gas. Sounds awesome. Now why won't my radio turn on? Sorry, this video, I don't want it to be exactly about. Come on, you gotta turn on? Okay. I'm gonna quit messing with that because I don't want the video to be. The light even works. It works. Surprised. I really like the truck. Maybe we'll keep it on the channel. Even the window rolls up. like it. Huh. Oh, come on. That's what I mean. The door doesn't line up here. Come on. There we go. Perfect. I'll let that run for a little bit. We'll get a part 2 of this video. I wanted to film this because I got my camera working and you haven't seen the truck in a while. I have to figure out what's going on with my camera, but I'll have this posted probably a few days after I get the first one posted, because, well, it hasn't been posted yet. Well, if you like this kind of will it start stuff and whatever, hit that subscribe button. Maybe this channel's for you. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you have anything to ask or anything to tell me about this truck, it's an '89 Chevy with a 350 throttle body injected, also known as a TBI motor. If you have anything to ask about the truck or to tell me about the truck, please let me down and bleep it down in the comments. And well, see you in the next one.